Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Bubble Quest. To begin, focus on the core goal, matching 3 or more bubbles of the same color to clear them from the board. Your primary objective is to eliminate all bubbles or a specific target before running out of moves or time. Always look for opportunities to create large clusters or trigger chain reactions for higher scores and faster progress. Precision is key in Bubble Quest. Utilize the aiming guide to bounce bubbles off the side walls, allowing you to reach otherwise inaccessible areas. Always try to clear bubbles from the highest possible point on the board. This strategy often causes entire sections of unattached bubbles to fall, clearing a significant portion of the screen with a single, well-placed shot, maximizing your efficiency. Power-ups are your best friends in Bubble Quest. Learn to identify and strategically deploy special bubbles such as bombs, rainbow bubbles, or line blasters. A bomb bubble, for instance, clears a radius of about 5 bubbles. Combining a rainbow bubble with a bomb can clear an even larger area. Save these powerful tools for when you are stuck or need to clear a large, stubborn cluster of bubbles. For advanced play and higher scores, always think several moves ahead. Try to set up cascading clears where one match leads to another, earning you significant bonus points. Master bank shots off the walls and ceiling shots to clear bubbles efficiently. Consistent practice will sharpen your aiming skills and help you recognize complex patterns, leading to more successful and satisfying Bubble Quest sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.